I'm Chopsicle the Dog, and this is Cats vs. Zombies 2. It's a desolate place. There's a Hummer and a couple cats. They're eyeing the vehicle, but there's a zombie in the way. What are they gonna do? Whoa, is he a regular human? He's gonna go after her. But she's gone. Oh man, he's gonna be a zombie too now, guys. Oh no. Now they really gotta get to that vehicle. Oh, so gross, guys. Oh, a cardboard box. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, yeah. All right. I don't know. This reminds me of Fortnite now. That or maybe the Rainbow Friends in Roblox. They'll never spot us in here. Nothing to see here. Just your regular old cardboard box. Where'd they go? They're almost there. Can they make it? Watch out. No, don't make any noise, guys. Oh, no. They got their attention. Oh, what's going to happen? Oh, no. They're so creepy. They're going to get caught. Oh, wait. They weren't in the box? Nice. Way to go, guys. They're going to get away. All right. 2 boss kitties. Let's go. Whoa. Oh my God. I did not see that coming, guys. That was too good. All right. As always, I left a link to the original video down in the description, and tell me I'm a good boy by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.